Alien megacity key central plaza main wo kati thai. Neon billboards usk upar chamakt ritethe, colors itni bright key onken duk jane. Skies kabhai clear nahai hot the. Hamsha dark clouds, Hamsha thunder. Hamsha acidic rain jo skin ko jala sakti thai. Magar wo wahan si hilly nahai. Acid rain niusk kapran karang mita dia tha. Fabric jaga jaga si patla ho chuka tha. Usk bail cab ki apni natural shine ko chuk the. Skin par halke chemical burns ki nishan the. Lekin uski posture seed high, unbroken. Usk hoth main ex simple sa sign tha, help. Baz itna high, no explanation. Na dramatic message. Na tears, surf ek word. Log guzart they. Corporate officials anti-grav pods main. Soldiers heavy armor key soth. Street vendors apni floating carts key soth. Tourists Joe is rainy planet co exotic Kate they. Sab use deket they, ex second key le. Fur nazar hot elite they. Cooch log sarcastic smile dete. Cooch whisper cart. Teen sol see yahin high. Cooch record kark social feeds par post cart. Rain girl. Plaza statue. Storm ghost. Woan sab ko sunti thigh. Maga react nahai karti thigh. Teen sol pale jab wo pali bar yahan adi thigh. Uski onkan main desperation thigh. Harguzarn whale ko dek kar wo thoda samuv karti thigh. Jays umid karti hoki shayad yaruk jay. Koi nahai ruka. Ek mahina guzra. Fur du. Fur ek sol. Usni seek liya hope ko face par show nahai karna. Abwo baz kadi riti thigh. Still. Silent. Watching. Rain usk upar giadi riti. Kabhai thunder itna loud hoda ki plaza kai glass towers vibrate cart. Lightning jab strike kardi to pura area white flash see bar jada. Wo blink by nahai kardi. Ek bar ek group of teens usk pause eye. Haste hue. Hey rain girl obtak help millie. Unhone mazak udea. Wo chup rahe. Unhone sign ko poke kia. Ek ni usk samni hoth hilya jays check kar rata ho ki wo robot ha yanahe. Wo fur by silent rahe. Akir bor ho kar wo chel gay. Security drones raz use a scan cart they. Identity unknown, species rare, no criminal record, no threat detected. Conclusion, non-priority civilian. Or is shehar main agar tum priority nahai ho to tum invisible ho. Lekin wo invisible nahai thai. Uski onkin sab kuch record kar rahe thai. Har wo insan jo ignore kark gia. Har wo alien jo pretend karta raha ki usni deka hai nahai. Har wo authority jo easily help kar sakti thai par nahai kai. Teen sol main seasons change nahai hot thay yahan. Surf storms, cabhai light drizzle. Cabhai violent acid sheets jo ground ko his cart hue hit kardi. Ek rot storm unusually brutal thaw. Winds itni strong key plaza key holographic ads flicker karn lage. Ek tower key niche ka signage gur gaya. Log shelters main bog gay. Wo wahai kadi rahai. Rain usk face par stream ban kar bay rahai thai. Capre skin see chipek gay thay. Hoth thoda tremble hua surf ek second key le. Magarusni sign tight packer lea. Help. Usk lea ya surf word nahai tha. Ya promise tha. Teen sol pale jabuski colony destroy hui thai jabuski species key log scattered ho gay thay. Jab ships neon he refuse kar dia tha kyunki. Refugee transport risk hoda high. Tab usni decide kia tha ki wo bajagi na. Wo center main kadi hogi. Visible. Agar galaxy ignore Kergi, to wo galaxy ko force Kergi use a deck par. Loneliness ni use todni kai kashish kai. Rot ko jab plaza relatively quiet hoda tha, surf rain or distant traffic kai awaz hodi, tab silence heavy ho jada. Kabhai uska mind us questions puchta, kaya yebikar hai? Kaya koi kabhai rukega. Kaya tum surf statue ban kar rejayagi, har bar wo upni grip tight kardi. Or next morning fur kadi ho jadi. Teen sol, 1095 din. Har din ek test. Rain ni uski body ko weaken kia. System ni uski existence ko ignore kia. Logon ni uski dignity ko challenge kia. Magaruska will unbreakable. Uski onkan main ob desperation nahai thai. Surf patience thigh. Or kehin deep andar ek chodi si flame. Wo janti thigh. Storm hamsharita nahai. Kabhai na kebe koi rukega. Or jab wo din ayaga rain ni us kamzer nahai kia hoga. Loneliness ni by nahai. Balki yetin sol use itna strong bana chuk hanj ki jab koi finally puchaga. Tumikis cheese kai help chayai. To wo seed ha jawab de sake. Surf ek insan jo ruk kar dek. Plaza ki niche, shehar zinda tha. Skyline's main traffic kai neon lines ek duser ko cross kardi riti thin. Towers ki and our corporate meetings, luxury dinners, secret deals chal rah thay. Har kisi ki pause destination thigh. Surf usk pause nahi. Teen sol pale jab wo pali bar yahan adi thigh, usni bright capre pain thay. Usky species ki traditional silver threads rain main chamak thay. Usni sacha tha agar wo visible hogi log notice Karen. Unhone notice kia. Par surf ex spectacle kaitera. Pale haft log genuinely curious thay. Cooch ruck car pooched. Help kiss cheese main. Woe Katie. Transport safe passage. Refugee clearance. Jab wo word refugee bolty log on key expressions change ho jate. Sympathy see discomfort. Discomfort see distance. Sorry complicated high. Council see contact caro. Main surf tourist hoon. Or fur wo chail jate. Council ni already decision suna dia tha. Non-strategic species limited resources. Ki le wo numbers thigh, statistics. Plaza main second year key start par logon ni us part of background mon lia. J's koi permanent art installation ho. X street artist ni ek bar usky holographic sketch bani. Title dia. Persistence. Logon ni clap kia. Credits dia. Artist famous ho gaya. Wo wahikati rahai. Ek din ek elderly alien usk pause ruck gaya. Usni umbrella extend kia. Usk upar shield bana dia. Paley bar teen sol main kissy ni use rain si temporarily protect kia. Beta, usni dear si kaha, garjao, wo halki si muscure. Mira gar destroy ho chuka hai. Old alien ki paz jawab nahai tha. Wo umbrella fold kark chalagaya, storm us din unusually cold tha. Us rat usni paley bar almost give up car dia. Hoth num ho chuk thay, muscles stiff. Body tremble car rahai thai. Sign thoda niche slip hua. Bazek second ki le. Oras moment main usni apne opsi sawal kia, kaya main surf stubborn hoon, fur use a yad aya, underground tunnels. Dozens log jo us par depend car roth thay. Baki jo daylight main bahar nahai awa sak thay kyunki unkai species, undocumented thigh. Wo unsab kai representative thigh. Agar wo hattie, to unkai last visible hope by katam ho jati. Isli I usni sign wapas uparathia. Help. Year 3 main plaza key regular vendors use a silently respect karn lage thay. Ek vendor kabhai usk pause nutrient bar quietly rack dita. Koi thanks nahai. Koi eye contact nahai. Magar gesture enough thaw. Security drones ob use a daily scan nahai cart thay. Unki system main wo mark ho chuki thai. Low threat. Static presence. Static. Unhikaya pada tha ki and our kidney movement chal rahai hai. Hardin wo observe cardi thigh, kiss time p cargo ships land cart hain, con sea captains independent lagged hain, con sea log authority sea dart nah. Wo wait car rahai thigh, random miracle ki le nahai, right person ki le. Or fur ex sub a storm thoda lighter thaw, rain thin sheets main gur rahai thigh, neon reflections puddles main dance car rah thay. Plaza main ek unfamiliar sound aya. Old model engines ka, outdated, loud. Human design, logon ni glance kia, fur ignore car dia. Ek cargo shuttle descend hui, paint scratched, systems basic, lekin functional. Ramp kula, or usni paley bar teen sol main kuch feel kia jo fear nahai tha, curiosity. Ek human bahar nikla, no escort, no corporate badge, no military armor. Baz ek simple jacket or tired sea eyes. Wo directly plaza scan car raha tha, jays genuinely deck raha ho, or fur uski nazaras par ruck gay. Baki sab log guzart ra, magar wo nahe. Wo sita uski tarif chalni laga. Rain dono par gur rahai thai. Teen sol ka wait suddenly heavy lagni laga, not because she was weak. Bulky isli I kyunki shayed, finally. Koi rukni wala tha. Human dear uski tarif chal raha tha. Koi hurry nahe. Koi hesitation nahe. Jays wo kisi statue ko dekan nai kisi insan si milni al raha ho. Plaza ki logon ni casually glance kia. Furup ne rost chalde. Unki lia ye baz ek or passerby tha jo du second ruck car chala jayaga. Wo already prepared thigh. Expectation 0. Disappointment ka risk cam. Human usk somni ruck gaya, close si deka. Acid rain usk jacket par his car rahai thigh, lekin usni shield activate nahi kia. Baz kata raha. Uski onken genuinely curious thigh judgment ki bina. Tumteen sol si yahen ho. Usni sidha pucha. Wo thodi si blink kai. Ziada logus bot nahai kart thay, or jo kart thay wo usually mockery ki tone main, ye different tha. Han, usni calm voice main kaha, human ni sign kai teref deka. Baz help. Han, specific nahi ho thoda, ek halki si pause ai, specific hun wo boli, baz log sana nahi chat. Human ni sir halka sa tilt kia. Try me. Teen sol main pali bar kissy ni ya words bol thay. Try me. Rain tes ho gay. Thunder dorsi roll hua. Wo uski ankan main dekti rahai, check karn ki ki kaya yabai baz temporary curiosity high. Magar human ni nazar nahi haji. Safe passage, usni finally kaha. Refugees ki le. Human ka expression change hua sympathy si nahi. Calculation si. Kitney, dozens, illegal status. Han. Council ni refuse kia. Han. Human ni ek lambai sans li. Plaza ki upar ek advertisement flash hua. Compassion is a choice. Irony almost funny thigh. Tum kud kayan nahi chali gay. Human ni pucha. Main leader hun. Wo simple jawab didi hai. Agar main bog jadi baki log kabhai bahar nahayat. Human ni us upar sinich tak deka not judging, just assessing. You don't look like a leader. Wo thodi si muscurai. Teen sol rain main kadre neki bod, koi by glamorous nahai lagta. Human ki lips ki cone thod si uth. Silence aya. Ye wo moment tha jahan usually log awkward ho kar chail jate thay. Wo mentally prepare ho gay. Magar human ni pucha. Ship kahan dak hai tumher logan ka. Unki pause ship nahai hai. Location. Wo thoda hesitate hui. Teen sol main trust ek dangerous luxury band chuka tha. Magar agar ya chance miss ho gaya to fur. Usni dear si kaha. Underground transit tunnels. Sector 9 ki niche. Human ni plaza ki side kai direction dekai. Jahan si maintenance shafts jate thay. Risk high. Usni kaha. Han, mira ship ch hoda high. Mudge surf ek captain chahi jo mana nukair. Human ni uski ankan main deka. Teen sol ka exhaustion wahan tha. Magar defeat nahai. Ya difference clear tha. Rain don o ki beach gur rahai thai. Jays koi invisible barrier ho. Fur human ni ek unexpected calm kia. Usni up na hothaj bad hair. Nam. Wo ek second ki le freeze ho gay. Teen sol main kissy ni uska nam nahai pucha tha. Surf rain girl. Statue. Refugee. Lyra, usni dear si kaha. Armin, human ni jawab dia. Handshake strong nahai tha cold tha. Uskoth teen sol rain main rekar rough ho chuk thay. Armin ni ch hoda nahai tirant. Teen sol kissy ko ta dite hain, usni kaha. Rain ni maj nahai toda, Lyra ni sidha jawab dia. Armin ni halka sa nod kia. Good. Fur usni plaza ki upar dark clouds kai teref deka. Chalo deket hain humanity kaya kar sakti hai. Lyra ka heartbeat thoda fast hua. Tum serious ho, Armin ni simple shrug dia. Main freight pilot hoon, independent, council ka employee nahai. Penalty lajgi, lag j, license suspend ho sakta hai. Ho j, why? Usni almost whisper main pucha, Armin ni sidha jawab dia. Kuki teen sol tak kissy ni ruk kar pucha nahai. Or muj lagta hai, yakafi bura record high galaxy ki le. Plaza ki log ab by unaware thay. Unki le yabaz du log rain main cod thay. Magar lyra ki le, teen sol ka wait thoda halka hua. Storm up by chal raha tha. Magar pali bar, uslaga ki shayad ya storm permanent nahai hai. Or jab armin usk soth plaza ki aj kai teref chalni laga, to teen sol main pali bar, wo akli nahai chal rahai thai. Plaza ki neon lights on ki peach reggae. Lyra armin ko maintenance corridor kai teref la ya rahai thai. Public pathways si hat car, wahan jehen tourists nahai jat. Jehen cameras kem hot hain. Rain ob by gur rahai thai, lekin yahan buildings ka shadow thoda cover de raha tha. Tum sure ho? Lyra ni pucha, armin ni side glance dia. Nahai, par fur by car rahahoon. Wo answer strange tara si comforting tha. Sector 9 ki niche ki tunnels purain thay. Transit system jo decades pale abandon ho chuka tha. Rusted rails, flickering lights, moisture dripping from cracked ceilings. Lyra ni ek hidden panel press kia. Ek narrow door his ki soth open hua. Armin instinctively alert ho gaya. Usni surrounding scan kia, trained pilot reflex. No visible weapons, no obvious trap. Main pale jongi, Lyra ni kaha. Fair, Armin ni jawab dia, wo andar gay. Tunnels ka andar ka hissa warm tha. Makeshift lighting laggy hui thigh. Blankets, crates, recycled water units. Temporary camp. Or fur shadows move hui. Dozens figures slowly somni eye. Different heights, different features, same eyes, cautious. Xch hoda sabakcha lyriki paz bog kar aya or usk kaprun ko pakad lia. Kaya koi aya. Usni halki si broken galactic common main pucha. Lyra ni gentle nod dia. Han. Armin ni yesab deka, yakoi scam nahai tha, ye reality thigh, ek older male figure aj aya, scarred face, protective posture. Kon hai ye, usni sharp tone main pucha. Captain, Lyra ni simple introduce kia. Human. Room main halki si uneasy murmur hui, humans ka reputation mixed tha galaxy main, cabhai heroes. Cabhai unpredictable risk takers, Armin ni hands visible rack. Freight pilot, independent, ship capacity limited high par multiple runs car sakta hoon. Silence. Why? Older male ni pucha, Armin ni direct answer dia. Kyuki koi or nahai kar raha. Straight, no speech, no drama, ek or figure, young female aj badhai. Council ni clear monarchia tha, agar packed gay to deportation ya detention hoga. Pada hai, Armin ni calmly kaha. Isli I fast come karna hoga. Lyrus dek rahai thai, teen sol tak wo yehen akar and sab ko hope didi rahai thai. Main tri kar rahai hoon. Main kisi ko di hoond rahai hoon. Aj first time wo ke sakti thai, mil gaya. Armin ni practical mode activate car lia. Kitney log total, 42, older male ni jawab dia. Armin ni quick mental math kia. Ek run main 15 safely, risky push Karen to 20, teen trips laginge minimum. Authorities, Lyra ni pucha. Doc logs manipulate car sakta hoon ek bar. Dusri bar suspicion raise hoga, tisri bar definitely track hoga. Room tense hogaya, fur. Kissy ni pucha, Armin ni shoulders crack kia, Jay's plan assemble car raha ho. First speed. Lyra ki andar ek unfamiliar feeling rise hui. Not fear, momentum. Teen sol tak wo static thigh. Ob movement start ho raha tha. XCH hodi si girl Armin ki pause ai. Usni cautiously pucha, tum humin betches to nahe. Room silent hogaya, Armin kneel down huatak wo uskia level par a sake. Nahe, usni seed hakaha. Promise, human promise. Girl ni confused expression dia. Human promise kaya hoda hai, Armin ni halka saw smile kia. Matlab stupid decision by lenge par tot nahe. Room main paley bar halki si laughter kai sound ai. Tension thoda crack hua. Lyra ni wo sound teen sol main nahai suni thigh, Armin kata hua. First group ready caro, surf essentials, no heavy crates, weight matter carta high. Older male ni nod kia. Hum divide cart hain. Log movement main ara gay, organized, quick, efficient, Lyra side main kati thigh sab deket hue, Armin usk pause aya. Tum teen sol yesab manage carti rahai, usni quietly pucha. Han. Alone, Han. Armin ni uski teraf deka respect clear thaw, rain ni tumin nahai toda, usni kaha, Lyra ni halki si smiledi. Ob deket hain system tod sacked hain ya nahai. Door ki bahar thunder crash hua. Storm ob by chal raha tha. Magar tunnels ki andar log prepare kar rath thay. Hope quietly circulate ho rahai thai. Or teen sol bud Lyra surf kadi nahai thai. Wo chal rehai thai. Forward, Aking Bay almost empty tha. Armin ka cargo ship piranha tha, paint scratched, hull par micrometeor scars, engines loud. Lekin functional, reliable. Nam side par faded letters, main lika tha, second chance. Lyrani jab wo nam deka usk andar kuch shift hua. Intentional, usni pucha, Armin ni half smile dia. Cabhai. First group ramp ki pause quietly line main kata tha. 15 log, mostly weak, do injured. Ek elderly female Joe barely chow pa rahai thigh, Armin ni quick scan kia. Fast move karna hoga. Bay logs auto record cart hain. Hum ready hain, older male ni kaha, Lyra ni first group ko deka. Teen sol tak wo and he hide cardi rahai thigh. Aj wo openly light main cod thay. Risk real tha. Agar packed gay, toe sab katam. Armin cockpit main chad gia. Engines low rumble main activate hue. Lyra ramp ki base par kadi thigh jab pale a child usk pause ruck gia. Tum a rahai ho. Usni pucha. Lyra ni head shake kia. Last run. Child ni us tightly hug kia. Acid rain kai smell or metal ka scent mix ho gia. Mat re na usni whisper kia. Lyra ni jawab nahai dia. Ramp close hua, ship lift hui. Bay doors slowly open hue. Cooch seconds ki le sab cooch still lag raha tha. First sky, ship storm clouds ki andar disappear ho gay. Silence. Lyra ni upar deka. Teen sol tak wo surf deck at rahai thigh ships ko at jot hue. Aj paley barek ship kissy or ki li uthai thigh. 20 minutes. 30, 40, har minute heavy lag raha tha, underground log tension main thay. Koi ball nahai raha tha, fur communicator crackle hua. Armin kai voice ai, drop successful, returning. Room main collective exhale hua. Lyra ni onken band kai, ek run complete, dubaki. Second run zayada risky tha, dock control ni unusual traffic note kia. Cargo ID verify, automated voice ni demand kia. Armin ni smooth tone main respond kia. Routine agricultural transfer. Rain damage supplies. Pause, system processing. Lyra tunnel entrance par kadi thigh jab wo message sun rahai thigh through shared comm. Her heartbeat steady thigh, fear nahai, focus. Clearance temporary granted. Ship Fursi descend hui. Second group quickly board hua. Is bar security drone thoda close hover car raha tha. Lyra ni intentionally plaza side kai direction main walk kia. J's wo usual position lean ya rahai ho. Drone ni use a scan kia. Static presence. Low priority. Ignore ship liftoff hui. Is bar lightning dangerously close strike hui. X second ki lea engines flicker hue. Lyra ka chest tight hua. Magger first stabilize. Storm ki upar disappear. Communicator silent raha longer than pale. 5 minutes. 10, 15 finally crackle. Minor turbulence. Drop complete. Lyra ni slow breath li. Ob surf ek run. Sab sea dangerous. Kuki ob pattern visible ho chuka tha. Dock logs definitely flagged. Authorities alert mode main ya sacked thay. Older male usk pause aya. Tum last run main jayagi. Usni firmly kaha. Lyra ni head shake kia. Last person tak rukungi. Leader Kakam survive Karna Hoda Hai. Leader Kakam last tak Kad Rina Hoda Hai. Woe argue Nahai Kar Saka. Tisra group ready Hua. Is bar surf weakest or injured Bak Thay. Or Lyra. Ship descend hui lekin is bar do security drones accompany car ra Thay. Armin Kai voice tight thigh. Window small high fast. Ramp open hui. Log sprint Nahai Kar sacked Thay weak Thay. Magger determination strong thaw. Suddenly loudspeaker blast Hua. Unauthorized transfer detected. Hold position. Lyra freeze nahai hui. Move. Usni shout kia. Ek drone niche descend Hua. Scan beam sweep cart Hue. Armin cockpit see growl kia. 30 seconds. Last injured male stumble Hua. Lyra ni use a pick kia. Acid rain usk face par burn car rahai thigh. Drone ni alarm tone escalate kai. Detain subjects. Ramp half close hone logi. Lyra ni injured ko push kia inside. Older male ni uska hoth packet leah. Ob, Lyra last step par rookie. Security lights flash car roth thay. Distant sirens approach car roth thay. Armin kai voice loud hui. Lyra now. Teen Sol wo plaza main kadi rahai. Storm key beach. Static. Oj decision ka moment tha. Rain ni us kab hai nahai toda. Loneliness ni by nahai. Magarab us choose karna tha. Stay. Ya finally chalna. Aking Bay almost empty thaw. Armin ka cargo ship piranha thaw. Paint scratched. Hull par micrometeor scars. Engines loud. Lekin functional. Reliable. Nam side par faded letters. Main licka thaw. Second chance. Lyra ni jab wo nam deka usk andar kuch shift hua. Intentional. Usni pucha. Armin ni half smile dia. Cab high. First group ramp key pause quietly line main kata thaw. 15 log. Mostly weak. Do injured. Ek elderly female Joe barely chow pa rahai thigh, Armin ni quick scan kia. Fast move karna hoga. Bay logs auto record cart hain. Hum ready hain, older male ni kaha, Lyra ni first group ko deka. Teen sol tak wo and he hide cardi rahai thigh. Oj wo openly light main cod thay. Risk real thaw. Agar packed gay, toe sab katam. Armin cockpit main chad gia. Engines low rumble main activate hue. Lyra ramp key base par kadi thigh jab pale child usk pause ruck gia. Tum a rahai ho. Usni pucha. Lyra ni head shake kia. Last run. Child ni us tightly hug kia. Acid rain kai smell or metal ka scent mix ho gia. Mat re na usni whisper kia. Lyra ni jawab nahai dia. Ramp close hua. Ship lift hui. Bay doors slowly open hue. Kuch seconds ki le sab kuch still lag raha thaw. First sky, ship storm clouds ki andar disappear ho gay. Silence. Lyra ni upar deka. Teen sol tak wo surf deck at rahai thigh ships ko at jot hue. Oj pali barek ship kissy or ki lig uthai thigh. 20 minutes, 30, 40, har minute heavy lag raha thaw. Underground log tension main thay. Koi ball nahai raha thaw. Fur communicator crackle hua. Armin kai voice ai. Drop successful returning. Room main collective exhale hua. Lyra ni onkin band kai, ek run complete, dubaki. Second run zayada risky thaw, dock control ni unusual traffic note Kia. Cargo ID verify, automated voice ni demand Kia. Armin ni smooth tone main respond Kia. Routine agricultural transfer. Rain damage supplies. Pause, system processing. Lyra tunnel entrance par kadi thigh jab wo message sun rahai thigh through shared calm. Her heartbeat steady thigh, fear nahai, focus. Clearance temporary granted. Ship fursi descend hui. Second group quickly board Hua. Is bar security drone tho to close hover car raha tha. Lyra ni intentionally plaza side kai direction main walk Kia. J's wo usual position lean ya rahai ho. Drone ni use a scan Kia. Static presence. Low priority. Ignore ship liftoff hui. Is bar lightning dangerously close strike hui. X second key lay engines flicker hue. Lyra ka chest tight Hua. Magger first stabilize. Storm key upar disappear. Communicator silent raha longer than pale. 5 minutes. 10, 15 finally crackle. Minor turbulence drop complete. Lyra ni slow breath li. Ob surf ek run. Sab sea dangerous. Kuki ob pattern visible ho chuka tha. Dock logs definitely flagged. Authorities alert mode main ya sacked thay. Older male usk pause aya. Tum last run main jayagi. Usni firmly kaha. Lyra ni head shake Kia. Last person tak rukungi. Leader ka kam survive karna hoda hai. Leader ka kam last tak kod rinna hoda hai. Wo argue nahai kar saka. Tisra group ready Hua. Is bar surf weakest or injured bak thay. Or Lyra. Ship descend hui lekin is bar do security drones accompany car ra thay. Armin kai voice tight thigh. Window small high fast. Ramp open hui. Log sprint nahai car sacked thay weak thay. Magger determination strong thaw. Suddenly loudspeaker blast Hua. Unauthorized transfer detected. Hold position. Lyra freeze nahai hui. Move. Usni shout Kia. Ek drone niche descend Hua. Scan beam sweep cart Hue. Armin cockpit see growl Kia. 30 seconds. Last injured male stumble Hua. Lyra ni use a pick Kia. Acid rain usk face par burn car rahai thigh. Drone ni alarm tone escalate kai. Detain subjects. Ramp half close hone logi. Lyra ni injured co push Kia inside. Older male ni uska hoth packet Leah. Ob, Lyra last step par rookie. Security lights flash car roth thay. Distant sirens approach car roth thay. Armin kai voice loud hui. Lyra now. Teen Sol wo plaza main kadi rahai. Storm key beach. Static. Oj decision ka moment tha. Rain ni us cab hai nahai toda. Loneliness ni by nahai. Magarab us choose karna tha stay. Ya finally chalna. Choose karna tha stay. Ya finally chalna.